What's up, guys? About to hit you with a quick shoe review, and this is going to be on a very interesting shoe that I've always had and I never got rid of for whatever reason. I've had people offer money to buy, but I just never really sold it. And it's going to be a shoe that's some people are going to like it, some people are not going to like it, but I've always liked it. I think it's a weird shoe, and I just never got rid of it, so I always kept it. So the shoe we're talking about today is a Nike SB Crawfish. As you can see, this is a label here. There's nothing really too special about the shoe, but it was just a shoe that I've always kept. In 2008, this shoe came out, and it actually came in a special box, and it also came in this box here. I was never able to acquire the special box, so I was always stuck with the OG box that it came in. So here's the shoe here. You check it out. This is the actual shoe here. Just kind of give you a little bit background on the shoe. It was a collaboration with this skate shop in New Orleans called Ruckus. It was a collaboration between them and Nike SB. Came up with some type of ideals, some ideas out there, and then this is a shoe that they came up with. So the silver toe box is a play off of the aluminum, I guess you would call it aluminum pot that you usually boil the crawfish when you have a big crawfish boil. But it's a play off the metal aluminum big pot that you boil. This here is newspaper, and actually this is canvas, but newspaper. So when you have a big crawfish boil, shrimp boil, crab leg, whatever type of boil, pretty much you cook everything in a metal pot, and then you lay newspaper out on the table, and then you just dump everything down on the table. That's what this is standing for here. And of course you can see the crawfish here. We got two more things to talk about. And then also these speckles. These are the speckles that you typically find on crawfish. So that's what those little bitty dots are. They're supposed to be speckles from a crawfish. Like I said, a pretty dope shoe. And then this here is, of course, seafood boil. Crawfish boil is just not a crawfish boil without corn on the cob. And that's what this print is. This is to resemble corn on the cob. So that's what that pretty much is. This shoe is almost 8 years old. Came out in 2014. And yeah, actually a couple of days after my birthday. But like I said, it was a collaboration with Ruckus Skate Shop in New Orleans or Louisiana and Nike SB. I think it's a dope shoe. Also, because I wasn't able to get the special box, I kind of made my pair special. So back in the day, I actually made, this is pretty dope, I made some custom insoles. I still have the OG insoles that came with it, but these are some custom insoles. And of course, I did this play off of the Louisiana crayfish boil. Kind of did that up in Photoshop, and then also a picture of actual crawfish boil. So we got the crawfish here, the corn on the cob, and that's what you see here in the picture. So pretty much it. And that's what I came up with. So there's the insoles, there's the shoe, and the colors are spot on. So oh, and it also came with a pair of red laces as well. So I got everything that came in the box. I looked up the used market on these shoes. It's actually pretty decent for it to be what it is. Still like $300-400 bucks, depending on what market you look at. And I don't know, I might get rid of them one day, but for now I'm gonna just continue to hold on to them. So, but that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Leave whatever comments you guys have for the shoes, whether you like them, whether you hate them. Leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell, and then just share the video with your friends. And like I said, I like all types of shoes. Some people might like them, some people might hate them, but hey, I love them. All right, y'all. Till next time.